Conversion of number bases part 2. Hello, I am Dr. Felix Mudiare. I welcome you to Table of Knowledge. We are dealing with number bases. If you are yet to watch my video on Introduction to Number Bases as well as Conversion of Number Bases part 1, where I talk about converting base 10 numbers to any other number base, kindly go and watch it. In this video, we are looking at converting numbers from any other number base to base 10. Our examples will convert 2163 in base 8 to base 10 and 11010001 base 2, that is binary, to base 10. So we start with the first one. 2163 in base 8 to base 10. Here is the solution. We use each of the digits of the base 8 number to multiply 8. So we start, the first digit here is 2. So we say 2 times 8 plus 1 times 8 plus 6 times 8 and then plus 3 times 8. Now starting from this end, we are going to raise 8 to the power of 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is how it is. The first digit here, which is 2, 2 times 8. The digits remaining are 3. So we say 8 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 8. The remaining digits are 2. So we say 8 raised to the power 2 plus 6 times 8. We have one digit left, 8 raised to the power 1. And then 3 times 8, no digit again. So we say 8 raised to the power 0. So 2 times 8 raised to the power 3 will give us 512. Plus 1 times 8 raised to the power 2 is 64. Plus 6 times 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. Plus 3 times 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 100 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 2 times 512 will give you 1024. 1 times 64 is 64. 6 times 8 is 48. Then 3 times 1 is 3. We add all the numbers together and that will give us 1139 in base 10. Therefore, 2163 in base 8 is equal to 1139 in base 10. And that is the answer. We move on to the next number, which is binary numbers. We are converting it to base 10. 110101 in base 2 to be converted to base 10. So similarly, we are going to use each of the digits of the binary number to multiply 2 raised to the power of the remaining digit. So we start with 1 times 2 plus next number 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. Next number is 0, 2. 0 times 2. And the last digit there is 1. We say 1 times 2. Starting from this end, we raise 2. Starting from this end, we raise 2 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 raised to the power 6. So here 1 times 2 raised to the power 6 will give you 64. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. Plus 0 times, let's put them in brackets to make it neat. 0 times 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. And 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 64, we have 64. We have 32. 0 times 16 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add all of them together. And when we add them, we have 105 in base 10. Therefore, the binary number 1101,001 in base 2 is equal to 105 in base 10. And this becomes the answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out for part 3.